Folks, it's finally happening. Did you guys see the CPI report this morning? It was insane. Look at these numbers. Month over month, we were expecting inflation to rise 0.2%. It was up 0.8%. Year over year, we're looking at inflation of 3.6%, 4.2%. Folks, the NASDAQ is now trading below the 50-day moving average. And what this is telling me is very, very important. Large cap tech does not like inflationary pressure. And it's coming our way. There's no question about it. And tomorrow, we're going to have the Producers Price Index. And if that number is showing real strong signs of inflation, then this inflation is anything but inflationary. Now, I'm sitting in a shopping cart right now. And I'm going to tell you, if this inflation pressure keeps going, you're not going to be able to afford much in the supermarket. And this empty cart will be empty. So it may end up being a stroller instead of a cart. I'm very upset about this whole situation. Folks, here's what you need to know. The market's cooling off. The number of stocks right now making 90-day highs and 90-day lows is about the same. 2 weeks ago, 3 stocks, 5 stocks, 7 stocks were making 90-day lows. Right now, we've got 90 stocks making 90-day lows, and 90 stocks are making 90-day highs. This means we have choppiness, potential downside, and it's time to make money from all 3 market directions. You need a strategy that makes money with bullish trends, like with industrial stocks, like retail stocks. Those are really, really moving right now. And you need to take advantage of the choppiness. Have you seen the Russell 2000? It hasn't done anything in 2 months. Imagine being able to take advantage of that right now. And the NASDAQ, oh boy, don't get me started. Momentum levels are coming off the highest level in 15 years. That means we're gonna have volatility. And I want you guys to make money no matter which way the market goes. So stay tuned, pay attention, and learn how to make money from all ways. Up market, sideways market, and down market. But remember, with the current momentum levels, you wanna really be long the energy markets, the basic material markets, and a little bit of the financial markets. And what you really want to be short in markets like this are techs and consumer discretionary stocks. But one sector that I'm really seeing strength on right now is the retail sector. Take a look at XRT. Retails are moving, but again, if inflationary pressure strikes, the retail may sag as well. Inflation is the name of the game right now. Be prepared. Learn to trade in all 3 market cycles. And that's actually what we're going to be talking later in today.
Folks, Wall Street legend Chuck Hughes is about to share the secret behind the triple threat strategies. It's the exact same strategy that gave him the chance to grow his small $5,900 trading account into over $212,000, $212,217, just to be exact, in just 2 years. Chuck's never shared details with the public on how he achieved that number. But after some major convincing and prompting, I talked him into offering a select number of traders the opportunity to not only get in on these trades, but to master the stock market. And he's going to challenge everyone. This guy's looking to make 500% return on a challenge in 3 months. There's too much to talk about. You got to get in on this. Click on the link below to potentially be one of the few traders who sees this timely announcement. You do not want to miss out. This is big. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next video.